You can't exercise if your diabetes is a very big myth. Rather, exercise has got multiple benefits, including cardiovascular risk reduction, reduced blood pressure, maintenance of the muscle mass, reduction in the body fat, and weight loss. It also increases the insulin sensitivity. The myth has possibly been generated because of the increased risk of hypoglycemia in people with type 1 diabetes, and also in those people who are having long standing type 2 diabetes, where the insulin reserve of the body has gone down and the patient and hence is on the exogenous insulin for the control of the blood sugar. In a non-diabetic person, there is when there is an increased utilization of blood glucose by exercise, there is a tendency for the blood glucose to go down. But at the same time, this decrement in the blood glucose is blunted by decrease in the insulin level because of the glucoregulatory mechanism of the body. But when we supply insulin from outside, that is exogenous insulin, this glucoregulatory mechanism does not hold, and hence the exogenous insulin goes on working and brings down the blood sugar, and there is a risk of hypoglycemia. Even in these people, the exercise is not banned, but they have to take certain precautions while exercising. Means they have to check their blood glucose before they go for exercise, and if the blood glucose is below 100 milligram, they have to postpone their exercise. And it is advisable that they take carbohydrate before they go for exercise. So means exercise is not banned, but they have to take precautions only. In one situation where exercise is relatively contraindicated is when a person with diabetes is having proliferative retinopathy, that is a advanced form of retinal changes, that is eye changes because of diabetes. There, when the proliferative retinopathy is there, the exercise has got a increased predilection for causing vitreous hemorrhage and retinal detachment. So there, till the time the proliferative retinopathy is treated, the patient should abstain from exercise. Otherwise, exercise is very, very good for diabetics in general.